Hey there, this is Shannon Basket. Thanks for stopping by. On this channel you'll see videos about photography, outdoor adventures, adventures in eating, and some gardening tips. Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I wanted to give you a peek at my camera kit I'm carrying with me today. We're preparing to leave for the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge to shoot in today's beautiful snow, hoping to see some buffalo, longhorn cattle, and maybe elk if we're lucky. Today I'm carrying with me two Canon EOS 5D Mark III camera bodies. One with a 70 to 200 millimeter zoom lens. That's probably the primary one I'll be using today. Most of what we'll see will likely be buffalo. They're pretty tame, so we'll be able to get pretty close, maybe even take some pictures from inside the vehicle.